Guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to take a screenshot of just a single window on a MacBook. As you know, with Shift, Command and 3 you take a normal screenshot of the whole screen. But let's say you only want to make a screenshot of a single window. What you want to do for this is press Shift plus Command plus number 4 until this appears. It's like a little cursor, and now you can just drag it around whatever you would like. This, and then here I have it. Now that's my screenshot. This appears. Okay, and what we can try, we open Safari. Okay, now here, what you also can do, press Shift Command plus 4, and then of course the cursor appears, and then press the space bar and then hover over the window you want to screenshot. Let's say we want to take a screenshot of the Safari page. Just do it like this and then click it, and here we have the screenshot of the Safari page. Okay, that was a little hack on how to take a screenshot of just a single window on a MacBook. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.